Get me?
Oh.
All right. Now I put the glue on the boards, but now what I want to do is show you what you need to do because I don't have any clumps. So I'm going to get some screws. I'm going to put one here. These, it should have been 4-inch screws, but these are 3. So I'm going to put one here. I've already put one here. So that's 1, 2. And then I'm going to put the next one down here. Okay. Put the next one here. These screws will basically represent clumps. They will give the board some texture. And then I turn it over on another side. Okay. I've already put one there, so I'm going to put the next one here. Put them anywhere. You really won't see these screws. Shove them in. Then come back here. I can put one right here. Got a screw right here like this. Yes, sir. Next screw in there. Alright. That will cover the board on 2 ends. So now the board will have some support. I'll throw one in the middle, give it some little tightness. Put one here. One in the center. No. What you're trying to do is just draw the board closer to one another. See how tight that is? Alright. Each board have different shapes. Put the next one in there. Alright. Each board have different shape. And that's where what I'm going to do, since I don't have a sander, a big sander to push over it, or a small planer, so I can plane the boards down, give them maybe, take off the 6, make them into like a 5.5. What I'm going to do, use a planer.